Right now, as you watch this, your body is processing over 100,000 chemical reactions every single second, operating a biological supercomputer far more advanced than any technology humans have ever built. We often take our daily existence for granted, walking, breathing, and thinking, without ever realizing the monumental efforts occurring beneath our skin. Inside your cells, a micro-universe is constantly at work, executing precise programs designed to keep you alive, healthy, and optimized. Let us dive deep into the silent machinery of your biology, exploring how your body really works on a cellular, molecular, and systemic level. To understand this biological masterpiece, we must first look at your cellular power plants, the mitochondria. Every movement you make, every thought you formulate, and every heartbeat requires energy. This energy is not just magically present, it is manufactured. Inside almost every cell of your body, microscopic structures called mitochondria are working tirelessly to convert the food you eat and the oxygen you breathe into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is the universal energy currency of life. At any given moment, your body contains only about 250 grams of ATP, which is barely enough to keep you alive for a few minutes. Because of this, your mitochondria must constantly recycle and regenerate your entire body weight in ATP every single day. This constant molecular manufacturing is happening right now, powering the very eyes you are using to read these words. While your cellular factories are producing energy, an incredibly complex electrical grid is transmitting data at mind-boggling speeds. Your nervous system is the ultimate communication network. When you decide to move your hand, an electrical signal called an action potential travels from your brain, down your spinal cord, and to your muscles at speeds exceeding 300 kilometers per hour. This communication is made possible by billions of specialized cells called neurons. Neurons do not actually touch. Instead, they communicate across tiny gaps called synapses using chemical messengers known as neurotransmitters. Every memory you hold, every emotion you feel, and every sensory experience you perceive is the result of these electrical storms dancing across your neural pathways. Your brain processes information so efficiently that it operates on just about 20 watts of power, less than the energy required to run a dim household light bulb. Yet this low-power biological engine can outperform the world's most advanced supercomputers in pattern recognition and adaptive learning. Simultaneously, your cardiovascular system acts as a highly advanced hydraulic transport network. Your heart, a muscular pump roughly the size of your fist, beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping over 7,000 liters of blood through an intricate highway of vessels. If you were to unravel all the blood vessels in an adult human body and lay them end to end, they would stretch for over 96,000 kilometers. That is long enough to circle the entire Earth, more than twice. This vast network is responsible for delivering oxygen, glucose, and vital nutrients to every single one of your 37 trillion cells, while simultaneously carrying away metabolic waste products like carbon dioxide. The precision of this system is so refined that your blood pressure and heart rate adjust dynamically in fractions of a second, based on whether you are standing up, sitting down, running, or sleeping. But how does your body protect this highly integrated system from external threats? Enter your immune system, an elite, highly coordinated defense force that operates like an advanced nanotech army. Every day, you inhale, ingest, and touch billions of potential pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Your immune system is constantly scanning, identifying, and neutralizing these invaders without you ever knowing. Specialized white blood cells, such as T cells and B cells, act as specialized soldiers. T cells are trained to identify and destroy infected host cells with surgical precision, while B cells manufacture highly specific proteins called antibodies. These antibodies act like molecular tracking devices, binding to pathogens and marking them for destruction by scavenger cells called macrophages. Your immune system even maintains a biological library of every pathogen it has ever encountered, ensuring that if an old enemy returns, your defenses can neutralize it before you even feel a single symptom. Beyond defense and energy production, Your body is also a master of structural self-repair. Your bones, which you might think of as static, dry supports, are actually dynamic, living tissues. They are constantly being broken down and rebuilt in a process called remodeling. Cells called osteoclasts dissolve old, worn-out bone, while osteoblasts lay down fresh, strong mineral matrices. Every 10 years, your skeletal system is completely replaced, meaning you literally have a brand new skeleton compared to a decade ago. Your skin, your first line of defense, completely regenerates itself every 28 to 30 days. Even your liver has the incredible capacity to regenerate back to its full size from just a fraction of its original mass. Your DNA, the master blueprint of your biology, experiences tens of thousands of individual damaging events every single day due to environmental radiation, toxins, and metabolic byproducts. To combat this, your cells utilize an array of molecular repair enzymes that patrol your DNA strands, cutting out damaged sections and splicing in correct sequences with absolute fidelity. This constant silent maintenance is what prevents cellular mutations and keeps your biological systems running smoothly. Every single breath you take, every meal you digest, and every beat of your heart is part of a beautifully synchronized symphony of biological engineering. Your body is not just a collection of organs. It is a highly integrated, self-regulating, and self-repairing technological wonder. Understanding how these systems work on a deeper level allows us to make better, science-backed decisions to optimize our daily habits, nutrition, and lifestyle. By providing your body with the right raw materials, proper rest, and optimal movement, you support this incredible machinery in performing at its absolute best. If you want to continue unlocking the secrets of your biology and discover how to optimize your health using the latest scientific data, make sure to subscribe to BioPulse Tech. Leave a comment below with which biological system surprised you the most, and share this video with someone who wants to understand the true power of the human body. Upgrade your biology,